The Uni-Fuels Holdings Limited, UFG, IPO is set to open for subscription on January 14, 2025, and will close on January 16, 2025. Here are some key details: price band, $4 per share, lot size, 1,000 shares, total issue size, 2,100,000 shares, aggregating to $8.4 million, listing date, tentatively scheduled for January 17, 2025 on NASDAQ. Uni-Fuels Holdings Limited is a Singapore-based provider of marine fuels. They offer products such as very low sulfur fuel oil, VLSFO, high sulfur fuel oil, HSFO, and marine gas oil, MGO, to shipping companies and marine fuel suppliers worldwide.